Our college is set to conduct the 7th edition of Lex Infinitum 2022 International Dispute Resolution Competition scheduled from 23rd to 27th February 2022. This competition is conducted in collaboration with AIDR, Association for International Dispute Resolution. Due to COVID-19, this year also we are organizing this event online. So last year also we have done online, and this also will be online mediation competition. Ours is one of the law college in India organizing and conducting this kind of mega event for the purpose of students. So before we do ADR, so let me introduce about what is ADR. So AIDR is a competition conducting and organizing college with the international dispute resolution competition. Litigation is time consuming and expensive. The matters to be settled as early as possible provide loss to the parties. As on 2nd December 2021, 4.36 crores of cases are pending before the courts across India as per central government information given to Rajasthan. So in cases increasing and cases going above and up, we can say beyond our limits. They need to look into new techniques to resolve the disputes. AIDR is a technique to resolve disputes and disagreement between the parties by aiming at an adaptable and agreeable settlement through negotiation, mediation, conciliation, and arbitration methods. This AIDR provides means and methods for solving all types of disputes, including civil matters, commercial matters, family matters, labor matters, and consumer matters. These matters can be solved outside the court without going to litigation. The general principle of AIDR is it uses a third party to settle the disputes between the transacting parties. One of the main reasons the parties may prefer AIDR method is the process is simple, collaborative, and allows parties to understand each other, and it aims to maintain peace and cooperation between the transacting parties and prevent enmity among the parties. Another important feature of AIDR is to reduce the burden upon the courts and to provide early access to speedy justice to those who want to settle the matters by party to dispute resolution.
Our college has gained so much credibility internationally with this event that we are now proudly collaborating with AIDR, that is the Association for International Dispute Resolution. On the list of international competitions, ours is right on the top along with ICC Paris and CDRC Vienna. This year, it is an honor to inform you that 28 top law colleges from around the world are participating for the trophies. Out of them, 8 are international and the remaining are from the national law colleges as well as the top institutions in the country. Now, the uniqueness of this competition is that it is not only a competition, but it is a unique learning experience wherein we have something known as knowledge sessions, wherein the participants get to know and the general public also gets to know about the nuances of mediation and negotiation. In addition to this, we have got 40 trained experts, 27 from the international arena, and the rest are from the local as well as the national scene. This year, we are introducing for the first time a quiz which will be based on the knowledge sessions, which will provide fun along with the learning experience. Now, as a kind of precursor to this event, we are also hosting something called as mediation musings, which is again open to the general public. You will find more information on our Facebook page, which I request you to like and follow. Now, this time the discussion will be on will the bill kill, that is, whether the legislation would actually hamper or help the mediation process.
The knowledge sessions will be taking place from 19th to 21st February 2022 and will span over 3 days with 6 sessions. These sessions are conducted by trained experts in the field of mediation and negotiation and are open to students and professionals from any field. The registrants that take part in this are entitled to receive an e-certificate as well as to take part in the quiz that was mentioned previously. They are trained, this year the panelists are resource persons and that are mainly international, And this has proven to be very helpful to all those students that have taken part in it before, in not just Lex Infinitum, but also in furthering their performance in other negotiation competitions in India and abroad. The competition is set to take place, Lex Infinitum is set to take place from 23rd to 27th February 2022. On 23rd, we will be having an inaugural ceremony followed by an icebreaker that is newly introduced, followed by an orientation that is conducted for the participants as well as the experts, and then a rigorous training, 2-hour training session conducted by the members of the AIDR board. This is to help our participants to perform their best in the competition rounds, which will take place from 24th to 27th February. Now, on 24th, there will be a preliminary round 1, 25th will be preliminary round 2, on 26th, there will be the quarter-final and the semi-final round, and on 27th, we have the final round and a valedictory ceremony. There will altogether be 37 competition sessions, each session lasting for 120 minutes. And there will be 5 separate competition problems that are used throughout Lex Infinitum 2022. 3 teams that participate in one competition session, that is 2 negotiating teams, a requesting party and a responding party, as well as a mediator that constitutes the 3rd team. All negotiating teams and mediators take part in both the prelim rounds. The 14 highest scoring negotiating teams and the 7 highest scoring mediators proceed to the next round, that is the quarter-final round. After this, the top 4 negotiating teams and the top 2 mediators proceed to the semi-final round, which is the final round for the mediator. Our semi-final round is in fact a knockout round, where the 2 winning teams from each semi-final competition session will proceed to the final round. All our expert assessors are picked as well as assigned to judge the round according to their training and their expertise, and they provide assessment and, more importantly, feedback to all our participants to help them move through the competition rounds and improve their mediation and negotiation skills. Throughout the competition rounds, the negotiating teams and the mediators are scored independently and qualified for the subsequent rounds also independently. This year, as we did last year, we have decided to give out cash prizes along with the certificates of merit and the trophies that will be sent to the winning teams. The awards are as follows. For the first place negotiating team, the cash prize is rupees 50,000. For the second place negotiating team, the cash prize is rupees 20,000. For the first place mediator, the cash prize is rupees 25,000. And for the second place mediator, the cash prize is rupees 10,000.